Good afternoon. My name is Robin Wiggins, and today we're going to talk about a startup venture called Spray On Makeup. It only costs $10. That's the product price point, $10. It allows for 20 applications and a 4-ounce bottle. Yes, a 4-ounce bottle. It gives a flawless application. You're going to save so much more money. It allows you to eliminate 7 to 10 of the products that you normally use every day. That would be your primer, your liquid foundation, your concealer, your foundation powder, your bronzer, your blush, and your highlighter. Now, we have 15 styles to choose from, and it allows you to have a variety. It allows you to save money because the average woman that we find, 15 to 35, um, a working woman, working mother, um, she normally spends about $200 a month. That comes up to $2,400 a year. We can achieve this same look in one application. Yes, we can achieve this same look right here with one application. Why pay a professional if you could stay in the comfort of your own home, use a product that's safe and reliable and trusting, and will allow you to use the newest modern technology, the first of its kind on the market. It literally has changed the future of makeup because now when you have a wedding or an event that you have planned, you no longer have to pay a professional and go see someone and take time out your day. You'll literally be able to apply these different 15 styles of looks. It also comes with a lipstick and an eyeshadow. You can change out the lipsticks. We'll customize you a can, which will allow you to be able to be versatile. You'll be able to have a light, natural look. You'll be able to do a club heavy if you choose to. It'll allow you to be able to have a work on the go look, um, and so many more looks that you would be able to achieve on your own. What we want to do moving into the future, though, is we want to literally be able to offer in this same bottle 4 ounces, 20 applications, and be able to move into the future and allow the studios, film companies, professionals be able to use this product every day, provide the same professional, flawless look that you would get. We'd like to move over and being able to do more dramatic looks, be able to provide a market for Halloween, uh, do some more dramatic work for the theater. It would be so cost efficient because it would allow you to do something, and the most it would cost you is $16 when you want to add these things on, which would allow you to have an upcharge in our company. It would give you an opportunity to create another channel of income, do direct sales, um, allow you to be able to get into some industries that weren't available for affordable makeup. We'd be able to move in to be able to do prosthetics, to be able to give you that dramatic look and be able to add that compound in that small bottle or even have to expand the bottle wherever the future would take us. Now, our target market that we're going for is 15 to 35. It would allow us to utilize the fact that they are heavy half of the market. Um, it would literally be able to provide a service for women who don't have a lot of time, would like to save money. They're looking for something that's more convenient and more affordable. Our geographic would be North America, South America, Asia. Um, our psychographic would be more of the middle class, lower middle class, working professionals, and it would give us an opportunity to be able to demographically move into college students, high school students, be able to bridge some type of partnership with them, get involved in an internship program to provide business majors with things that they need. but our target market would be women from 15 to 35, professional makeup artists, hairstylists, also the working woman on the go, the high school, college students. Our company's strengths would be low product costs, technology and marketing knowledge, reasonable price product. I'd say our weaknesses would be only one on the market. A small specialized company is what we would be. It's a new product. We're only limited to one product, but we like to add on to our brand down into the future. The market literally made $49.2 billion in 2019. Um, it has an estimated growth of 4.75 worldwide. 2020, it made $483 billion. It's a very lucrative market and is continuing to grow. Like I said, our target market is 15 to 35. We will allow a return on the investment at 4.75%. When I say that this is something that will change the market, it would allow people to be able to do what needs to be done, um, have it affordable for them. We're asking for $2 million to handle and support our operation costs. We have a call center, customer service center. We have a warehouse. We're going to be all under one house. It will allow for a smooth operation. We have a management team in place that will address any issues right on location. And I'm asking you, the investors today, to take a golden opportunity to move into the future of makeup and allow for the world to change in cosmetology.